So just a little explanation of our remote control lawnmower. Here we got our 12-volt battery, which is our power supply. We have our quick connects, and also our batteries that run our receiver for the remote control. Down here we have some power splitters and our fuse box that connect to our speed controllers. It takes
signal
from the remote control, and the speed controllers control each wheel. As far as our Arduino goes, we have 3 sensors hooked up to kill the motor whenever it gets too close to an object. Our Arduino just ran by a small 9-volt battery, which is hooked into a relay, which we had to actually run into a larger relay because of the large amount of voltage that was coming off the motor. And so whenever it gets too close to something, one of these sensors will go off, it will flip both relays, and it will cut the engine. As far as the frame goes, we just made it adjustable just as it would have been stock, so you can raise and lower it just like a regular lawnmower. So these are the details of our project.